Hello, my name is Pranav. I have completed my graduation in BSc IT. After completing my graduation, I was working as a desktop support engineer for last 3 years. But my salary was not getting high, so I decided to enter in a core networking CCNA. I was searching for 100% job guarantee institute, so I come across the Awdiz on Google. They suggested me to enroll in networking CCNA, which helped me to enter in the IT industry. I was saw placement review on other students on YouTube as well as on Instagram and decided to inquire them. They run 100% job guarantee written format. In networking, the devs cover all the concept of networking as well as of server. So I enrolled in this course in an online board from Pune. Both theory and practical knowledge we got here. Today I get placed and selected as a L2 network engineer for a package of 3.96 lakh LPA. I personally suggest all students who are looking to start career in a networking domain. Thanks Awdiz to keep their word and place me in Pune location. Thank you so much.